2.5 acres a day. So that's the depth, and it's out. So we have a rock here, bring it backwards. Not destroying the grass. Good day, people. We are doing tests on our new attachment, Coneteks 2.13M. People, we get a lot of questions about our attachments. People keep mistaking them for mulchers, but it's not a mulcher. Mulcher works above the ground, grinds everything down to the ground, but not underneath. Our attachments work below the ground. The attachment is 3-in-1. You can do the deep grind roots, stumps. It's not afraid of rocks. You can level and settle the ground after deep grinding and prepare it for sowing grass seed. Turns a lot slower with bigger torque and more power to crush all the stumps and root systems under the ground. The soil is very wet at the moment. The attachment is grinding about 3 to 4 inches at the moment. Like the old grass, it's quite thick, quite a few layers on it, and you just go over. And this is not as deep as it goes. You can regulate the deepness with the depth with the thing on front. And that's how the result is. You can do 2.5 acres a day. If you have small stumps on the field, you do the deep grinding, grind everything up, all the stumps, root systems, hide it under the ground in this soft stuff, and then you can level and settle everything. So basically 2.5 acres a day. So it's not afraid of rocks. And deep old grass with few layers. It looks slow, but you can do 2.5 acres a day. So let's see how it works on really deep grass, a lot of layers. And after, you can go over, use it as a soil conditioner to level and settle the ground. It rolls it up nicely. We film everything in real time, speed, so there's no editing involved, so you can see the actual speeds of which you can work on. This is real speed. So let's check the approximate depth of around 13 to 15 centimeters, depends on where you measure it. Yep. So that's the depth that you can grind it, and after you can go over as a soil conditioner with the same attachment, level and settle everything, roll it up, prepared for sowing grass seed. You see how soft it is? But even in those conditions, It's too wet at the moment, it's pure mud, but still the result is shocking. Simple as that. You can use it on gravel roads, for example. You can easily smooth out a muddy surface as well. We get a lot of questions: how durable and how tough is our attachment? Is it afraid of rocks? And yeah, let's see. So let's see, like a big metal wire in the ground. Just pick it up, turn it the other way, and it's out. Simple as that. It grinds down concrete and rocks. This is a big rock. Let's see, the teeth are intact, so let's grind some more. Maybe we can pick it out from the ground. So we have a rock here. You can bring it backwards, push it forward. When you grind the field, all the rocks you can push them to one end and after go and collect them all. So, sorry for the wind. In Eastern Europe we condition the soil in springtime, so the grass grows better. Let's see how that process works. This is how it looks before. And this is already conditioned. So the air gets to the grass root system and it grows like crazy. So basically what we do, we just go on the top layer. not destroying the grass. We're just going over the top layer.
Easy on the track, nigga.